Wow, I've never seen a metal port like that. They're all been made with PVC or plastic. That's impressive. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop. So could you tell me your name and what's in here real quick? Like,
absolutely.
Go ahead, man.
John TDH.
All right.
Right here is got a DC 5K, running a pair of level 6s. And then I got the DC audio 1000.4 on the mids and highs with the DC audio 8-inch coaxes.
Wow.
It's got a psychoacoustics port.
Nice. Is there a way I can see the port in the back?
Oh, absolutely. Oh yeah, trust me, you will.
Okay, got it. So do you demo this more? Is it made for outside showcase, or is it made to have one person just sit in the front, or is it all of the above, just everything?
It's all out.
All out, all right, nice.
Stock alternator.
Uh-huh.
Seriously?
Really?
Yes.
How are you doing that? Is it just a good lithium bank, or?
Got a 120 amp hour underneath that you don't,
Oh, wow,
see.
okay. Yeah. Nice.
I don't, there's no battery up front at all.
Wow. Can I see underneath the hood?
Huh?
Do you have anything under the hood I can see, or no? Nothing really? Nothing added, just stock. Wow.
It's all stock.
That's awesome.
It charges, I just did a module on it, and it charges 15.5 now.
Really? Wow. So what is your amplifier wired to on the subs? Half of them? Got
it. And I competed yesterday in the lanes,
and
that's a DC 5K.
Yes, sir.
It did 5,075.
Oh, wow. So we're at overrated power. Nice. What are these subwoofers, the RMS on these? Pretty beefy.
4,500 each.
Wow. Nice.
Yeah, I'm barely tickling them.
Yeah. How did you make that port? It seemed like metal.
That's a psychoacoustics port.
Really?
They're not made anymore. That's, matter of fact, that's the last port he made.
Can I see it again, just to kind of see it without the plan? Wow, I've never seen a metal port like that. They're all been made with PVC or plastic. That's impressive. Man, that's awesome. Is this a 8-inch?
Yeah, 8.75.
8.75. Nice. Do you know what your tuning is on this?
About 29.
29? Okay.
29,
30? Yes, sir. Awesome.
little off track. Off this weed and I'm full of that yak. And ain't enough room to fit other chicks inside. I'm so hungry with the munchies. Everything's together and everything's alright. I'ma keep smoking till I reach my peak. Or till I'm stuck and my body feels weak. Headed down to the dungeon, wondering if they got some more. And if they don't, then I'ma have to settle for some droll. And it just ain't cool, cause right on after I'ma have to go and continue on my mission, fishing for the yum, but I'm
very much. What's your name?
John.
John. Thank you, John, for the demo. That was awesome.